We've really got to install that hood. I'm Melissa.
I'm Bill.
And we've been renovating our kitchen for about
3 years. It felt like 3 years.
It's actually been only like a year. So now it's time to do the range hood. Luckily, I've been anticipating this for quite some time now, so I already have an insert that we're gonna build a frame around so that it can kind of have that custom look. Do you think we're gonna run into any snags?
Yeah, electrical snags. Someone's getting shocked, that's for sure.
Is that someone you?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think this is gonna be a pretty straightforward project. I think we're gonna whip it out in a day. I'm looking for these. Are you looking for these?
Yeah,
me too. Okay, you know the metal things that you put around piping or something, and then you take a drill and you screw it to tighten it?
Like the strap?
Yes, the strap.
strapping,
The
basically?
strap thing.
Yeah. Up this way.
Perfect.
Brass or any other metal grommets?
I actually don't work here.
Oh, you don't?
It's okay. You're the second person today. So
I think it's the colors of the Home Depot. Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's okay. All right, so we're looking for an outlet. All right, if we can't find an outlet already, can we like wire up one of these junction boxes?
Yeah.
Because there's one there and there's one over here. Why are you touching that? Oh, another junction box.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wire up a plug.
Well, this project just got more interesting.
Little scoop, this is big soup. Come in. Okay, go ahead.
Do you see it?
Yep, it looks like someone was already had that idea in mind. There's a plywood and a hole poked through it, and there's power run into this box that says cam dry.
Awesome. Thanks. Was that you? That was weird. It didn't sound like you.
Hello? Did you hear that other voice?
Yes!
We're stuck in you.
That was terrifying. Bill, stop terrifying these children. This was just really entertaining for a moment, but yes, I'll come up. Scooby, that says laundry, not cam dry.
Whatever. We're looking for 120 volts. I mean, it's reading 103 volts. This is a 120 volt line. It's close enough.
Yeah, but what happens if it's like connected to a light switch in a weird, funky way?
I don't think so.
It's on? Yeah, it's the laundry light.
No shit. Alright. Can we live with that on the switch?
Yeah, I don't think that's okay because people are gonna buy this house and not understand that and then think it's broken.
Do other stuff for now. I'll figure this out.
All right. All right, so it's about 5:30 right now. My body's just like, I'm done. Maybe I was a little bit optimistic about the one-day project. We'll get back at it tomorrow. Yeah, I won't even turn that.
Huh. It still says there's power coming through this.
All right, it's the moment of truth to see if changing out the outlet to a newer one.
120 volts.
Well, yeah, that doesn't mean anything.
Mm-hmm.
Please. No! So what does that mean?
It's not the outlet. It might be the wiring to the switch.
I turn this on. It's going slow. And it also turns the lights on. What? So weird. Hon, what happened?
There's a fucking outlet up here.
Oh. Okay.
God, it was hiding behind the door. That's why I never saw it.
Well, try plugging this in. I'm praying to the project gods. Please work. Yay! Scooby,
Yeah?
love you. All right, you can see here that we've installed the hood. It was a late night last night. You know, we were up to about midnight. Feeling pretty good about the progress we made, but I kind of lost a little sleep over something. So you're not gonna like me. I think we do need to add like 2x4s to brace this, because I looked and it said that plywood has a hang weight of 50 pounds. Just thinking like this side and that side.
It goes across those two studs.
Yeah. Yeah. I would just feel better about it because that shiplap is kind of heavy. Okay, I was like, he's gonna be mad. So we've installed 2x4s and put the bolts in them. Yeah, this thing is not moving at all. All right, so it's the end of the weekend, and you know what? We didn't finish the project. I mean, there's a little bit more time left, but here's the thing. Now that I'm thinking back, I'm realizing that the best moments of this whole entire project was those little moments I had with my husband, or even in the Home Depot. You know, I asked them for help, and usually I just want to get in, get out, don't ask people for help, but honestly, those were the most interesting parts of my day, and they're the things that kept me going. So we could keep working the rest of the evening, but I think we're just going to call it for today, and we'll just keep working on the project throughout the week and just enjoy each other's company. So although we didn't finish the entire project, we still finished enough so we can use it.
It's really good. It's really good.
Love ya.
Love you.